And we are back to work again on John Deere 410 loader backhoe on this very long engine rebuilding process. But today we're not working on the engine. We're actually going to go ahead and weld the uprights for the loader. They've been cracked for quite some time, and the cracks are really hard to get to. And I've kind of been putting it off, and I shouldn't have. And I was going to have a weld shop weld them because they're probably a lot more capable than what I am. But here now we got the loader taken off of this since we're rebuilding the engine. They're a lot easier to get to, so I'm going to go ahead and try getting them welded up and see what we can do. Let me turn the camera around here and show you what we're working with. Okay, you can see right here, the crack stored up right here, and it circles right around and goes across. Then we also have further down the upright here, we have a little bit harder to see, but a crack that runs right along top of that weld across there. So I'm going to go ahead and get these ground up and try to get them welded. You can see here on the other side that that's already been welded. It was like that when I got the machine. And then it's welded clear down to the other side. But anyway, it shouldn't be too big of a deal to get this welded up. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Okay, just got this ground down, re-welded, then ground welded, and repeated a few more times. It's looking fairly decent. I guess it's gonna probably have to do. Got front and top there welded, and then got down here welded. And I'm not really the best at welding. I should have probably had my brother do this. He's better than me. My dad gave my brother a 5-minute tutorial on how to weld probably 20 years ago, and after that my brother gave me about a 3-minute tutorial on how to weld. So he has about 2 more minutes of lessons that I didn't have. Okay, guess it's going to be doing it here for right now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. A lot more videos coming up here on this John Deere backhoe. We're getting so close to getting it finished, and hopefully we can get it running here in the next week or so. I already put in an order for a bunch of oil and filters so I can change on hydraulic and transmission oil. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos. I really appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you next week. Beedo, beedo.